It is Saturday.
It's 93 degrees.
And I chose to wear all black, and it's 11:11. Final taping of the door is about to get done, and then we're finally going to start putting up some of the siding. And it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, so nothing I don't think is going to happen. And then he leaves to go back into the city on Monday. So either we get it all done today, or we get as much as we can done. Trying to find the best saw to use to not chip it. We have this little saw from Poppelman, I don't know, and a soft metal / plastic blade. And hopefully it cuts better than the last time than us doing the shed that we haven't finished yet. Here, do you want also to make that line darker, or are you good for right now? Because I found that marker. Okay. Soft metal and plastic should be a lot easier, shouldn't it?
It feels like it should be. I mean, it's cutting pretty decent. I cut that one a little.
Yeah, you cut the other one.
A little. Oh, let's see. I'm fucking into it now. Are you getting hit?
No, I'm okay.
Did that work good?
Yeah, it worked better than a little handful. And then there's just a tornado siren going off while we're putting up siding on our house. I'm just kidding. It's the first Saturday of the month. They're testing it.
Put some back.
He waits for no one. I like the corner piece. On to the next one.
Out, man.
True, it's 93. Who knows what the actual real feel is. We have one more corner to do, and then we are gonna go down to the LAKE. I don't want to say it and get them super excited. They know that word. Tools needed for this. Some J-channel cutters, some snips, because apparently J-channel cutters don't actually cut it, just cuts a notch, a Sharpie, and a tape measure. So we didn't cut it long enough. You're supposed to cut it 2 inches on each side longer than the windowsill. So we're gonna move over here.
Take 2.
Batteries flashing. He's gonna finish up the trim. I am going to charge you guys and make dinner, and we'll catch you up from there. Pandas, the sun, and palm. I'm what? Oh. I guess our toilet paper has pandas on it. But it's Sunday and the storm kind of passed over us, or at least until a little bit late. All the J channel, the siding is up, or like the corner siding, not the actual siding. We're gonna do starter pieces and just work our way. He's leaving tomorrow morning, so we'll see what we get done.
Pandas.
Oh, he's gonna show you the pandas.
And the sun.
Yeah, see the sun pan? Yep.
Bumps.
Look at that. We got fancy toilet paper.
Yeah, bamboo.
Bamboo toilet paper.
All the good stuff, man.
Tools needed: starter strip, a hammer, a measuring tape, a marker, snips, and nails. Oh, and what's it called? And a level. Is it supposed to meet up
It goes inside.
inside, so all the way like that? Are we too long? Just a little bit?
It's a tiny bit, yeah.
Okay. Can we overlap just a little bit? Can't have that.
Wrapped, taped. You know, we did the J channel. We took down all the wood. We removed all the electrical. And we shot up the starter piece.
Starter pieces all the way around. We're gonna go to the lake. It's hot. And he leaves tomorrow morning, so I don't think we'll be doing any of the siding until he gets back Thursday. Well, we probably won't do it Thursday. But, there's a doe deer. Museum, look at him! Ah! In the dark, and he's still working. I don't know, can I kind of see? Kind of. Zoomed in. New outside plug in the dark.
Over there. You're holding it, you're not moving it. That means that, so that entire cut was just crooked, just so you know. Let's see.